Here we see two promotional flyers designed to appeal to an American audience on our left and an Italian audience on our right. Both flyers include rounded lines and similar balance, with the main image centralized to create a calming vibe. You will see both flyers demonstrating contrast with white backgrounds and colorful images to help draw the viewer's attention to key areas. The colors used in the American flyer include blue, white, and purple. The Italian flyer uses blue, white, and red. According to the International Color Symbolism chart, blue is trustworthy, calming, and represents peace in America, while representing heaven and purity in Italy, so it is an acceptable choice for both flyers. White is also used on both flyers as it represents purity and peace in both countries. The American flyer uses purple, which is calming as well. However, purple in Italy means mourning, death, and suffering, so if we were to use purple as part of our campaign in Italy, it would not be accepted very well, nor would it appeal to the audience as we would hope. The last color on the Italian flyer is red, which represents light and commitment according to the International Color Symbolism chart. In America, red is representative of danger, anger, and blood, so it may not be accepted in an American audience or mean the same. Robin Landa says, when a composition is based on a cool color palette, it feels synchronized and congruent. Often the resulting effect is calm or serene. This works with both flyers, as the Italian flyer uses green and the American flyer uses purple. They both utilize blue. I've utilized each country's flag to demonstrate something familiar and grab the audience's attention, while also using images representative of peace and unity with a peace sign in both flyers. The use of multicolored hands reaching out to stop racism in unison, even though they are so diverse in the American flyer, is very representative of our company's title, United Among Our Diversity. I think our audiences can truly relate to that.